Assam is celebrating Bhogali or Magh Bihu, its winter harvest festival today, and people across the state busied themselves with lighting of the Meji, the bonfire. However, there's something different about the festivities this time, given that it's come in the backdrop of the COVID pandemic. Ratnadeep Chaudhary and Sanjay Chakrabarti report from Guwahati.
A very good morning to all our viewers. We are coming to you from the Japarigog area of Guwahati, and behind me you can see people in large number have come out to celebrate Bhogali or the Magh Bihu. They've lit up the Meji or the bonfire, the Bihu bonfire, and in this way Bihu celebrations have started in Assam. In fact, last night people gathered with friends and family for the grand feast, the grand community feast or the Uruka. Now this time the Bihu is being celebrated in Assam in the backdrop of dip in COVID numbers. So unlike other festivities where there were restrictions from the government, there were COVID protocols, during the Bhogali Bihu or the Magh Bihu, the restrictions have been withdrawn to a larger extent because Assam at this moment is reporting the lowest number of COVID cases, and this gives the opportunity to people to celebrate their most favorite festival, Assam's winter harvest festival, the Bhogali Bihu. And you can see the emotions, the fun and the excitement in the faces of the people, from toddlers to kids to the youths to the older generation. Everybody from the community are here. They are seeking the blessings for a prosperous year. This has been a year where people in Assam, like other parts of the country, had to face a lot of trouble due to the lockdown. People had to face the COVID pandemic, and now as the country gets ready for the start of the COVID vaccination program, perhaps everybody is seeking the divine blessing. Assam is celebrating Bihu, and here from Assam, wishing everybody back in our studios as well as every viewer of NDTV a very happy Magh Bihu. In Guwahati with Sanjay Chakrabarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.